All right, so Victor here again, RestoreMercedes.com. Now this is the continuation of the video about expansion pipe, harmonic balancer pipe, whatever you want to call it, vibration dampening pipe. But this is the pipe that keeps blowing. It's not the first time I see these blow, but this is what I got from my local hydraulic shop. I went to a gentleman and we spoke about what can we do. He said that he never saw anything like this because he does mostly commercial hydraulics, and this is something that he's like, I don't understand what this is, so let's just do something. So I asked him that. He said, I'm not gonna do this because I don't know what this is. So I insisted of doing a very simple thing. Now this is the original pipe, makes the bend, exits over here and becomes just a blocked off pipe. Now if we're going to exclude the metal bend and we're going to measure the distance between these two pipes, as you can see, the distance is about maybe a couple of inches shorter versus original. Yes, original pipe has plastic insert, I understand that. This is another broken pipe, as you can see. It's very close to the overall length, but nonetheless I'm just tired of these pipes blowing, so I asked him to do something for me. I decided to go straight. I decided to omit the bend because SL600s, for example, will have a straight line. It will not have a bend. And I also heard about diesel S400 with ABC suspension that will also have the straight line, which would have been even shorter than this. That's that expansion pipe. And I also asked to install the compression fitting at the end of these junction where the bungee bolt goes through, but the hydraulic shop guy says no, I don't have it, I cannot do this. What I'm gonna do for you is I'm going to do brazing. So he basically brazed, welded the tip, right? There's the tip right here. I don't know if the camera picks it up well or not. He brazed it onto original piping, and now we can attach hydraulic line to it and tighten it up. Hydraulic line is 5800 psi, 400 bars, so that's double. It's a double steel reinforced hose. Right, and at the end we just have just a regular blocker. This is just a block to block the outlet. I have some crazy idea of maybe trying to install accumulator at this pipe, just like 221 chassis have, but that's next level. Now if we look at the original pipe, original hose, you see that plastic piece in there. Yes, I don't have this plastic piece in this pipe and this hose anymore, and it's just basically some sort of braids, but no steel reinforcement, just the braids. So this pipe has dual steel reinforced hose, and I will have to make some sort of a different bracketry just because I don't want this pipe to this hose to flap around the engine bay, and I will also have to tighten this up. Another reason why I decided to go straight, it's not about the cost. It's basically, if I would to go and let's just say we're going to have this done, so there will be 2 more brazes, 2 more pipes, gets more complicated. Reason, I don't see a reason for it. So why do I have to do all this where I can just like make some sort of like a bracket over here where the original U-turn goes, and then at the end there's a bracket that holds something else. I forgot what it is, but there was a little bracket. I can make another extension and just hold this over, and that's it. So let it be. Well, that's the idea. So hopefully this will work out, because like I said, I totally am not happy when this pipe with this hose blew after about a year, brand new from a dealer. Everything's fine with the pump. Pressure is not really even hitting 200. It's just like 180, something like that, 150, 180, as low as 120 at rodeo. So it's not really fully functional hydraulic pump, but it's good enough. It's perfectly fine for suspension operation. It's just that I don't understand why the pipe with the hose blows. So it's not the first car. I had V12 twin turbos and they keep blowing. It's ridiculous. Customers' cars, my own cars, totally ridiculous hose. So I went with this, double the strength, dual steel, tighten up the ends, and call it a day. Now next level is going to be trying to install all of this situation. I'm gonna bring the car over in the work spot so I can just actually work on it and see if I can fit it and see how it's going to fit, because fitting these things over, it's finicky, you know, just banjo bolt and the supply line and this line, and then now this one is way stiffer than the original, but at least I can try to do something with it. I will try, at least I will try. If I won't try, then I won't know if I succeeded or not. So I will try on that. So next video will be about how this is fitted in the vehicle, and hopefully everything will go fine, and I'm sure it will be okay. I'm just gonna have to figure out the attachment points, but nonetheless it shouldn't be a problem. I don't see a problem here. I mean, I'll make it happen. Alright, so this is it for now. Victor here, and more parts will come in when I make them. Thank you for watching.